Hi, I'm David Webb. I'm the narrator and head of Yarn Hub, and what you're looking at right now is recordings from our recent playtests for our upcoming free-to-play game, Brass Rain. These are actual playtest recordings, and they were made on a lot of different types of machines, so you'll see different quality between some of the shots. This is going to give you a flavour of what the game's going to be like. It is pre-alpha, so we're working on a lot of stuff yet before it gets to production. The first map is Point the Hawk. Now, you may know that we made a film on Point the Hawk, and it's quite a well-known battle. The plan is with Brass Rain to cover some lesser-known battles as well, but we wanted to start off with something that everyone, not just Yarn Hub viewers, would recognise. As I mentioned, it's going to be free to play, and that doesn't mean pay to win. We're really working hard with the community to make sure that it's not a hellish grind like some free-to-play titles you may have played. We're going to have microtransactions, but the plan is not for them to give you a massive leg up in the game. It's a multiplayer game from the start, and of course you're seeing that now. It's going to be co-op as well, which is working together in tanks and eventually planes and ships. Of course, from the start you'll be able to work together as infantry, which we'll have in every single version. And we've taken a lot from the video that we made on Point the Hawk, and that's something that you'll see consistently being done. Of course, the guns are far more accurate and mechanically correct than in our films. With films we have to produce assets really quickly, but for the game we can take a little bit more time over it. This also applies to uniforms and of course locations, which are balanced for gameplay. One of the new weapons that we're working on is the flamethrower. But we're not going to just cover well-known stories. What you're looking at right now is a brand new level that we're working on for Castle Itter. Now, Yarn Hub fans and Sabaton fans will have probably heard of Castle Itter. It's a great story for a game level. Basically, every side is fighting each other with different factions, and it's inside and outside of an old castle. If you like what you see and you want to get involved, we'd love you to wishlist and follow Brass Rain on Steam. We're planning early access for December 2026, and if you have anything to add, you can head over to the Discord today to get involved in the conversation, maybe even the playtests. The link's in the description.